Multiplying fractions by fractions, item 94236. Complete the statements below about the area of the red rectangle. So, the area of the red rectangle, that's a fraction of the whole white square. So let's look at what we have to fill in down below. Each red block has an area of something over something. This is a fraction, square unit. What this is asking is how many of these red blocks would we need to fill in the whole, basically. In other words, this red block is one what? One. It's a fraction of the whole unit. So each red block is one out of how many? How many of these red blocks would we need to fill in the whole square? Well, looks like this is 6 going across and it's 3 going up. You can count them one at a time if you want, but I can do 6 times 3, and I know there's going to be 18 there. So each red block is 1/18 of a square unit. Now we're not done. The area of the red rectangle is equal to 2/3 times 5/6 equals, and then we have to fill in all of this. Now the nice thing about multiplying fractions is that it's different from adding and subtracting. Remember, when we were adding and subtracting fractions, you can't just add the numerators and add the denominators. You'll get the wrong answer. But with multiplying, you can totally do that. So what this is showing us with this long line right here is just that you can take the numerators, and just multiply them together, and take the denominators and just multiply them together, and you'll come up with the right answer. So 2/3 times 5/6 is equal to 2 times 5 over 3 times 6. So 2 times 5 is 10, and 3 times 6 is 18. Now, before we click check and say we're done, let's double check our work and make sure that it's making sense. Remember, this is all about this drawing up here. So let's look at this drawing and make sure that this makes sense. 10/18. Is this 10/18? Well, I said there was going to be 18 in the whole thing. And how many are red? 5, 10. 10/18. I think it's right.